Good day everyone. So today is a really nice day because I'm gonna go and explore Phuket a little bit on my day off. So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna visit a really nice viewpoint over Phuket. You will see like whole Phuket from up there, which is amazing. But first we're gonna go to Wat Chalong, that is not so far away from here, and they have like the most beautiful temple you'll ever see here in Phuket. So if you're ready, let's go, pack your stuff, and here we go. Okay guys, so what we're gonna do now before we actually continue is we're gonna fill up this bad boy with some gas because we don't have much left. After that, then we're going to Wat Chalong. And I finally did say it right this time. Okay guys, we are here now. Super nice. These temples are just so beautiful. It's amazing. So we're just gonna get out, see them closer, and explore a little bit around the area and see what you can do. Okay, so we are here now, and I'm actually just walking over to the first temple that is here, and we have it located right over here. It's a really beautiful sight. It's very sunny today. It was really hard to get the light right on my camera, but then we have also the more special temple that is here. I've heard from my guide last time I was here that this temple is actually the more valuable because you have these stones around the whole temple. So we're actually gonna go over and I will show you. So as you can see, you have these stones here, and they are placed all around the whole building, which is like a safeguard for the temples. As I remember it, I'm not allowed in to go into this temple though, but it would be such an amazing thing to actually do. We're just gonna see what's more around this area. I know there is food. I am a little bit hungry, so I'm probably gonna get something. Okay, as you can see, here is the another temple, which is super beautiful. I'm unable to go in right now with my clothing. I do have shorts, which is not allowed to have inside. You should always have long pants when you go into the temple, so think about that. Women should always have something to cover up everything when you go in. So just keep these things in mind and respect their traditions. So over here, in this one, we do have like, they do firecrackers when there is something with the fortune telling, like if the wish has come through, you do some firecrackers to celebrate, because you do the fortune telling inside the temple over here that I just showed you guys. So now I'm gonna take you through the garden over here and explore, because there is a super nice building up there that I really want to show you. So let's walk over there. So now we have one of the temples right behind me, the one I've already shown you, and we're going through this beautiful park, which is just an amazing garden to walk through while being here. So over here in this area there is food, which I love, and then we come to the big temple here. have this huge area. And now maybe you can hear the firecrackers in the background coming from the area over here. I showed you. It's super cool feeling to be here. I think I'm gonna go grab myself some food right now because I've seen the park. It's so beautiful, something you just need to see when you're here. And over on this other side we do have some stands where you can get some really nice food. So really enjoyable. So now on my way to eat, I met this really nice guy. He's been living in Denmark for like 22 years, which was super cool to know. And now he's back here for 2 years. And let's see what he's gonna do. In the meantime, I'm gonna get myself some food. Chicken? Okay guys, so I got myself coconut water with fresh coconut and with the flesh, as you call it. Super tasty and just so fresh. So I got it there at the stand. Then I got myself 2 chicken skewers and some rice. We're gonna eat that now here in this really nice area that I found a little bit away from everyone. So this is my breakfast. So we have this like hidden part of the park. Wow, that is amazing. This one was 70 baht for 2 and with rice, which is like crazy good price. It's a lot, I think it's around $3 or something. Super cool. Okay guys, let's continue the journey up to the viewpoint that is here in Phuket also. We're gonna have the most amazing view we can have. Let's go. So now it's gonna be like a 20-minute drive before we reach the viewpoint, so stay tuned. Okay guys, it did take a few more minutes than I expected to get up to the mountain because the traffic was crazy. I'm just gonna go out and see how the view is. What I've read, it's like crazy good. High expectations right here. Then there is a cafe just under the hill itself where I'm also gonna go see their coffee, give you guys a little review of that place, so you need to check it out if it's good. So when you get here, here is a little food places where you can get something to eat. We'll see. Oh, there's actually a restaurant up here. I did not expect that, which looks absolutely amazing. So it's this one here. They do have some live music up here also, which is super nice. Oh guys, look at this view. It's coming out. It's really nice view. Okay, we're now at the viewpoint. Just look at this fantastic view that we have here. Super amazing. So this place is actually called Chalong, which is the viewpoint itself, which is speechless. So I'm probably gonna hang out here for a little while and enjoy the view that we have at this area. So while sitting here now and enjoying the absolutely amazing view, I'm just thinking about, I bought this new tripod yesterday, the Manfrotto one, the one I have actually recommending before. I'm using it and absolutely love it. It has been the best thing to take with you on a day like this when I'm out and about doing the vlogs. Highly recommend getting one. I have it linked down below if you want to check it out. Extremely hot day today. It's 29 degrees out, not so much sun, thank you. It's hot enough. I did take some sunscreen, but I think I'm getting burned already. But actually you can have a little down there. You can see, oh, you can see it says Phuket on the little field. Pretty cool. So there is a bit more people here right now at this time when it's around 1 o'clock many people are off at this time for siestas or other things. So I do recommend, if you want to do a tour like this, you should come here a little bit before most of the crowd comes here. So I would recommend maybe coming here around 10 o'clock. So yes, it's just a beautiful spot that you really just have to see for yourself. Now it's getting a little bit windy because I think there's a storm coming up today. Beautiful, beautiful monkeys. Yes. I'm just super happy that we got to see some beautiful monkeys before I left. So sadly I only saw them when I left the mountain because there was no monkeys when I was actually there. But we got to see them. That's a win for today. We have parked, so we're just gonna walk up here and get a coffee. Okay, so I'm in the restaurant. Really beautiful. You. Okay, so they have today's recommended menu in Thai. I cannot read. 70 cab. So now I have reached this Viewpoint cafe, which is really beautiful. They have a very nice setting here at the restaurant. You have some live music, and then you have this fantastic view. I have ordered myself an iced latte, so I'm gonna enjoy that very soon. But the staff, I think they're super good for now. And if you want to see the place itself, they have this very nice scenery inside this restaurant. So it's super beautiful. And then, of course, the view again. Okay, I have now gotten my drink. It's huge. This iced latte, super nice. Test try. Ooh, that's good. It's really good actually. Okay, so it feels really nice to be out filming again, like doing these type of adventures with you guys. I usually do many things sitting at home, and I do like coming out like this. And please tell me down below what you think about the videos like this, then where I'm actually showing you guys in real time what's going on and the places that I visit. I hope you enjoyed this video really much, so much as I did. So if you want to see more about Thailand itself, please watch this video up here where I'm gonna talk about more Thailand adventures. So until next time guys, see you, have the best week ever.